guys, I'm just cold and I'm wearing my gown because I'm so cold. Anyway, ignore the TV by the way. But just if I'm rude, I could be sorry. So Subway Surfers. Yeah, look what I just got. And I got everything and everyone. But except one person and one skateboard. Hoverboard. Yeah. If I go to home, never mind. What the heck is happening? If this does not even work, then what? This is not even working. So loud here. Finally. Anyway, who did that noise? So finally I can carry on. By the way, I just got her anyway. When I went, okay, I'm gonna go to me. Not that again. I'll be back. Never mind. This guy, Spike. His name's Spike. I couldn't get him. Actually, 2 people. I can't get 2 people. I got Zoe and everyone. And yeah. You guys saw Jake, but I didn't get this guy. That's what I was saying. That's might be for gift and that. And from this one, I just got this. I'm gonna change it to teleporter. But actually, when you move side to another side, it teleports. And if you get this, you could do double jump or any jumps. But sometimes you go down, and when you kind of do it, you don't see anyone, and then you have to wait until it comes down. And when you get that boots, yeah, you get high. And when you jump again, you can still see your character jumping high. And when you lost the boot, then you don't see it again. But sometimes you do still. No, it's gonna see. And look, if I press this, I don't know what happens. Oh yeah, that's the boost. See, that's the boot. And I do this, see? And look. Oh, top run. And look at this. You see? I want to keep on doing it. Yeah, sometimes it works. Or it just works, yeah. When you go down and do it again, then the thing that I told you. It's not a sort of voice, actually. Sounds like it. These are the dirt when I roll. And look at this. See? And the police is gonna get... What? Since hack. Let me just die. Oh no. I almost got that treasure. Don't worry about it. So let's just do something else. Oh my god. So if you go to my account again, you check about the thing. Yeah, but now it's called Shadow Boy. Yeah. Yeah, but my Cookie Boy account name is Shadow Boy now. I got 2 subscribers, but please can you comment about the thing that I was doing to Roblox? Just tying it up. Oh my god. I can't even open this. You'll see how much friends I have. 76. Yay. I was playing Marcus Roleplay now because I was bored. And I was playing Halloween event and I had the thing and I don't know what it says next. Oh yeah, Lumen Legacy after Halloween event. It says Lumen Legacy and I played that with my brother and my brother's friend. Why does this keep on coming? By the way, anyway, I just have to. By the way, Dragon Ball, what? Whatever. Let me see this off. I'm not even cold. Let me see. Not cold. I'm trying to untie my gown that I tied up myself. I'm not untie. Because I'm not untying. Yes, I did it. That's why I'm not crawling. What is he playing? Dragon Ball Transform. What? Dungeon. Oh, I don't know what this is called. Nogtug 2356 is my brother's friend. By the way, what? I counted and I saw 64. This might be, I don't know, I forgot, whatever. By the way, I'm going to friend some people. Even people that are friending me. I'm going to see the any requests. I'm trying to catch up with my brother. My brother has 200. Comment how much do you have? Request 0 again. Follow 0. 1. This guy's following me. Why is this guy following me, man? Why is this guy following me? It's too easy to friend. Following 1. So look at this guy. This is Alan, one of my classmates. I've got how much friends. Look how much followers and following and friends. It's loading. Shock and happy face, and that's Jaws. I try to friend here, and it says pending, and it says that much friends, that much followers. Trying to friend him. He has a different friend. You change it to that. You just see that. Awesome wolf. That's all he's saying. Oh, see all. He has more than my brother. Cool. So loser. No squishy man here. Back to one. Hey guys, my friends, can you all friend me? And if you did, then I go to friends and go to requests and I'll friend you all, okay? And if that's a yes, then let's do this. I'm Cookie Boy. But no, I'm Shadow Boy. Shadow Boy. Shadow Boy. What do you call me? Shadow Boy. Messages, chummy. 17. I won't go to feed again. I went to feed a million times. 11 times. 11 times. Friend request accepted. Oops. Whatever. You have a flipping new friend one. Sent. Archive. News. Scare up. A good game with the Halloween sword. I do not know what that means. By the way, I'm saying, what? Oh, inventory, inventory, and backpack. Some people and I kill them. Kidding. Why is there a big tiny circle? Okay. I'm finished now. So, bye.